Tech and clips.
Yeah. All right, guys. Name is Philip. This is Philiminizzy reaction. We're back with another music reaction. This one is taken from Andy Gibb. Andy Gibb. You know, after the last reaction we did on film, you guys, commented and asked me to check out more songs from him. One song that was top of the list is Shadow Dancing. Shadow Dancing. So today we are going to check the song out and see what else, Andy Gibb, the younger brother of the band Bee Gees, has got for us today. I'm super excited. You guys commented and recommended that I check this song out. Well, I have expectations though, and I hope I'm not disappointed. Yeah, so like and subscribe if you haven't already joined the family. And without wasting much time, without further ado, this is Andy Gibb with Shadow Dancing. Let's go.
I was chasing your direction. I was telling you no lies, and I was loving you. When the words are said, baby, I lose my head. And in a world of people, there's only you and I. There ain't nothing come between us in the end. I can hold you when you ain't even mine. Only you can see me through. I leave it up to you. Do it right, taking me through the night. Shadow dancing, baby, you do it right. Give me more, drive me across the floor. Shadow dancing, all this and nothing more.
Wow.
All that I need is just one moment in your arms. I was chasing your affection. I was doing you no harm, and I was loving you. Make it shine, make it rain. Baby, I know my way. I need that sweet sensation of living in your love. I can't breathe when you're away. It pulls me down. You want a question and the answer and only you can see me through. I leave it up to you. Do it right, taking me through the night. Shadow dancing, baby, you do it right. Give me more, drive me across the floor. Shadow dancing, all this and nothing more. And in this world of people, there's only you and I. There ain't nothing come between us in the end. I can hold you when you ain't even mine. Only you can see me through. I leave it up to you. Light taking me through the night. Shadow dancing, baby, you do it right. Give me more, drive me across the floor. Shadow dancing, always and nothing more. Do it right, taking me through the night. Shadow dancing, baby, you do it right. Give me more, drive me across the floor. Shadow dancing, always and nothing more.
Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was Andy Gibb with Shadow Dancing. Wow. 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 There's never a bad song with these Gibb brothers, honestly. I have to say, you know, yeah, I mean, I've been doing this reaction thing for a minute, and I've been doing reactions to Bee Gees and now Andy Gibb, but I mean, when I think about it, I can't really seem to think of any song that I didn't like. You know, their younger brother, really was good. You know, vocally he sounded a little different. You know, like he sounded a little different. His voice was a bit um well, I might be wrong, but it sounded like I said, you could tell the difference between Barry, Robin, and then Maurice. Like you can tell, okay, this is different. You know, this song is definitely has a disco vibe. Has that the Bee Gees that we all know. That disco low tempo kind of vibe. You know, and just by listening to it, you can tell, okay, this song has something to do with Bee Gees. So yeah, I love the fact that their sound was almost the same. Both and the Gibb and then the Bee Gees. Their sound is almost the same. Vocally, a little different, right? And with this song, at a point you could tell there were some backup vocalists. I'm definitely sure it's the brothers. They backed him up on this one. So yeah, this song is definitely a masterpiece. I loved it. I loved it. The instrumentation, vocals. It gives you that vibe. You know, and Andy's definitely a performer. I love the way he walked up on stage. Like coming on stage, you could see this guy has charisma. This guy has um uh how do I say this? He has the like he's a star. Let me just say that. You could just right off the top see him like, oh, this guy's a star. And with his appearance and demeanor, like it is easy for him to relate with his audience, with his listeners, with his fans. Totally a very handsome young man. I said it like I said it in our previous reaction. You know, definitely the ladies would definitely be crashing on him and all, but like I always say, it's sad. It's really 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 sad. He died when he did, because this guy has had so much in him. Honestly, like just listening to like two songs from him, and I can already tell that he would have done great things. I said it like in my last reaction. He would have done great things, if not better than his older brothers. Honestly, you know, it's sad. Anyway, so that was Andy Gibb with Shadow Dancing. So please like this video if you enjoy the reaction. Still have other titles that you guys suggested, so will definitely do my best to check it out, react to it, and upload it to the channel. So please comment, like, and then most of all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Join the family. All love up in here, no negativity. Yeah. Okay, so until the next music reaction, you guys take care and peace out.